Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. Snapchat notifies the sender when you screenshot their snaps. In this video, I'll show you some methods to save a snap without them knowing. Let's go. The first method you can try is using another device like a phone, iPad, or camera. Take a picture of the Snapchat story, or record it discreetly. Keep in mind that this won't give you high-resolution output. Remember also that you only have one chance to replay the snap, which also notifies the sender. Another workaround is using the remix feature. Snapchat's remix feature allows you to create new snaps that build on your friend's snaps or even your own old snaps. You can record your own snap alongside the original as it plays, much like the TikTok Duets feature. To do this, on your friend's chat, tap on the snap. Click this option and go to Remix Snap. Click the circle button to capture. Here from these options, for a better view of the snap, choose the magic eraser and then take a screenshot. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.